Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, December 10, 2021 on our channel. Love presented new REFRIGER v.2.2.2.383. Carrier and Barrisol launch advanced HVAC sealing solutions in Europe. First Celsineo refrigeration units in the Netherlands for AMEX and BAAS warehousing. Peli BioThermal opens India service center. Daikin Europe invests €3.9 million in new Hubbard factory to drive progress in sustainable cooling. BAC expanding the Polairis portfolio. So, first news today. Love presented new REFRIGER v.2.2.2.383. Love presented new REFRIGER v.2.2.2.383. The new release of REFRIGER program is now available in the reserved area, accessible only to registered users. To access the reserved area, just follow the registration procedure. You can recover your data clicking here. Second news today. Carrier and Barrisol launch advanced HVAC sealing solutions in Europe. Carrier has collaborated with Barrisol to develop a range of integrated air conditioning solutions that deliver outstanding comfort, enhanced indoor air quality, IAQ, and low operational costs. The new advanced sealing solutions provide a high-quality, stable indoor environment, and the highest levels of aesthetic design and are ideal for any application where precise control of temperature and very low air velocities are required. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. First Celsineo refrigeration units in the Netherlands for AMEX and BAAS warehousing. Corona is playing an increasingly important role in the transport of conditioned goods, where there is a wide variety. The company has now delivered the first refrigerated trailers in the Netherlands equipped with a new, modular Celsineo refrigeration machine. The trailers were delivered to AMEX in Lelystad and BAAS warehousing and transport in Bunschoten. Both companies are loyal Corona customers. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Peli BioThermal opens India Service Center. Peli BioThermal announces the opening of its latest service center located in India. The new service center is based in Ahmedabad, a major manufacturing hub for pharma companies in the western part of India. The new site is a full-service network station offering conditioning and refurbishment services for Peli BioThermal's Credo Cargo and Credo Extreme bulk shippers to meet the region's rising requirement for the company's Credo on-demand rental program. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Daikin Europe invests €3.9 million in new Hubbard factory to drive progress in sustainable cooling. Daikin Europe has announced that construction is complete on a new factory for its UK-based specialist commercial refrigeration business, Hubbard Products Limited, and that manufacturing has begun on site. Since being acquired by Daikin Group in 2017, and following the integration of Daikin's UK commercial refrigeration offering into its portfolio, Hubbard has been leading the commercial refrigeration market in the UK and Northern Europe. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. BAC expanding the Polairis portfolio. After successfully introducing BAC's Polairis evaporative condenser in 2018, company expanding the Polairis portfolio. The new capacity range starts from 65 kilowatts upwards, allowing those customers with smaller cooling needs to also enjoy all the benefits our Polairis can offer. Looking for large capacity on a small footprint? As of now, Polairis evaporative condenser is available in smaller box sizes, allowing you to maximize your available space without having to lose any capacity. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.